Well, the traffic has absolutely been stopped on the Noida Expressway, and it is just the farmers that are present over here. I just try and show you in the visuals in and around the area how the entire area has now been occupied by farmers who have come all the way from different parts of NCR, including Gautam Budh Nagar and the nearby districts as well. So definitely the number of farmers on the roads is constantly increasing. They continue to demand that the compensation that needs to be paid to them should be paid from the side of the administration, and it is a long pending demand. Over the last 3 to 4 years, they have constantly been protesting regarding this. In fact, last year as well, a similar sort of protest had happened. Now, I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here how the Noida police has absolutely barricaded the entire area. Trucks have been placed on this highway. Remember, this highway is one of the main highways that connects Greater Noida all the way to the national capital. This is the Noida Expressway, and the expressway is absolutely shut for traffic at this point in time. Farmers have been stopped over here. Massive containers have been put on the roads, making sure that no one is allowed to move anywhere close to the national capital. The Chilla border that connects this expressway to Mayur Vihar, which is in the national capital, that border has now been shut down absolutely for any sort of vehicular and traffic movement. You can see how the farmers are now climbing atop these trucks that have been placed over here. They are trying to get on the other side. They are trying to continue their march towards the parliament, so that somewhere or the other they feel that their voices might be heard in the biggest temple of democracy. But yes, at this point in time, the Noida administration has made this absolutely sure that no one will be allowed to go anywhere close to the parliament, let alone close to the parliament, but even close to the border. The Chilla border is approximately a kilometer away from here still, and hence the entire protest march has been stopped over here. Not only over here, but also at the Greater Noida junction, where Pari Chowk is, that actually connects Yamuna Expressway and districts on that road towards the national capital. That has also been blocked. The tractors on which the farmers were coming over here, those tractors have also been stopped by the district administration. So somewhere or the other, the Noida administration is now making this abundantly clear that no one will be allowed to enter the national capital. There has been constant talks that has been happening between the farmers and the Noida administration over the last few days as well. In fact, yesterday itself, a meeting happened for more than 3 hours, but there has been no solution that has been found, and the farmers are still adamant that they will not go back until and unless they are allowed to march towards the national capital.
इसका मायापुरी क्या है?
Let's go. Let's go.